Look at this mushroom. Got a mushroom. Cute, ain't it? Very pretty, very pretty. Practicing putts on a windy day. I am walking the trail at the library in Sneads Ferry. And I know I'm getting older. I'm starting to get the old ailments. First off, I usually don't talk about my health issues, but I do have like this lump on my chest. Not sure what it is. I've been to the doctor, a couple of the doctors, but I think they want me to have surgery. The ortho said they want to jab a needle in there, and they're not sure if that's going to fix it or not, so I don't think I want to do that if they're not sure. The other option is cut it out, but it affects me when I bend down, or if I reach to pick up something, or actually even if I try to work out. I really haven't worked out in about a year. I've been having this issue for about a year now. And of course I do have my lower back pain. I've had that for often. I've been a laborer most of my life. Worked in factories, but mostly done a lot of driving for deliveries. And this is a real cool building. If you've ever been back here, this is at the Sneads Ferry Library. And they got little picnic tables and stuff in there. It's nice. And they got cameras. Watch what you do. Alright. But okay, where was I? Yeah, the lower back pain, I have some of that. And recently, I've been having some chest pains on the left upper part of my chest, almost like where your collarbone would be at. And this is a real nice. It's got, in the summertime, this is actually cool back here. Stump Sound Disc Golf Course. Today is, what is today? Today is Tuesday, November 12th. And I lost a disc on the 9th hole out here. So we are going to go get it. Maybe. I've been out here twice looking for it. It's a prototype Archer. By the way, I seen a rattlesnake out here the other day. Okay, I hit either this tree or this tree. I can't remember which one I hit, and it ricocheted out here. So we are going to go out here and look for it. Find a path out here again. That better not been a snake. Nope, that's not a snake. I don't think it is. And I was just wondering, can I outrun a rattlesnake? can I outrun a rattlesnake? If it started rattling and decided it wanted to come after me, am I able to outrun it? That's something I might have to look up. This is a good path. There isn't much elevation. Actually, there is no elevation. This is a flat trail here. And it's fairly clean, easy to walk. We did have a little bit of rain last night, so it is a little bit soft at the moment. There's a lot of little swamps in this area, which means that we have alligators. This path right here, I've never been down this path. This looks like there's a little path goes up through there, but with all these pine needles there could be a copperhead in there, so I don't think I want to go down this little path at the moment. I would have to bring a stick and just kind of jab in front of me to walk that path. I will do that one someday. Alright, gonna look for my disc again. I hate it when I lose my disc, especially one that I use often. Okay. I was just thinking, about saying yes and saying no. I guess I was pretty much taught at a young age that I can't have this, I can't do that, I can't do this, I can't do that, and that kind of brought me to where I say no a lot. And I'm trying to say yes. I'm trying to say yes more. It's hard for me to say yes because it's embedded in my subconscious that I can't have this, I can't have that, I'm not allowed to do this, I'm not allowed to do that. So no has always been a word that I've used a lot instead of saying yes. It's still hard when things are in your subconscious mind. It's hard to get that out of there. But I try to say yes a lot. We had rain, so it's a little bit soggy out here. Let's try going over here to find my disc. I still think it's on the other side of this path, maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. I don't get lost. Yeah. Watch out for snakes. Actually, I think it's too cold for snakes out here. It's probably 60 degrees, somewhere around there. It's middle of November. What is today? The 14th or 15th? The 15th, I think. Let me check. What is today? The 15th? It is the 15th. So. There's that hangy thing I seen yesterday. It's just hanging pine needle. I don't know if you can hear that boom. I live near a military base. I am near a military base. You hear bombs going off, gunfire. So I guess I would say it's probably not as much gunfire as what you hear in Chicago, because this is a military base. They have rifle ranges and they're shooting all kinds of bullets. I think Chicago probably has more. Just joking. All right. I think that's the tree over here where I seen it last. It'd be a miracle if I find it. Man, this is thick. This is so thick. Oh, how am I supposed to get up in here? That is all thick. And I don't think the snakes are active, but I still don't want to step on one. There's copperheads out here, and the other day I found a rattler. Literally less than 3 feet away from a rattler. I might have to go back the other way. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back the other way. There's no way I can get in there this way. Absolutely no way. Oh. Oh man. Okay, please no snakes. Please no snakes. Definitely don't want to get bit since I'm out here alone. Just watch where I step. Walk slowly. Come on. It's a blue disc. It should be easy to see. This is a little trail. I like walking this trail often. Sometimes I'll walk around them 3 or 4 times. And sometimes I'll just sit in the bench. There's a bench there, there's a bench over here. Old Glory flying. And of course there's a dollar store on every corner. I bet you there's a dollar store on every corner where you live too.